What's up, guys? Jacob here. I'm actually in between student and coaching calls, so I'm going to make this a quick, short video. Other channels you should be following on YouTube for everything you need to know for publishing and beyond. So, of course, it's obligatory. I got to endorse and give a shout out to my mentor, Cassie. So, Cassie is a seven-figure entrepreneur based in Dubai who has everything you need to know with not only Kindle publishing, but other streams of income like online income with affiliate marketing, and other ventures related to, of course, Kindle publishing, internet marketing in general, and also offline ventures. He is someone that owns various coffee shops, smoothie bars, salons, agricultural farming, shipping containers, and other businesses he probably doesn't fully disclose here. So I'm gonna leave it at that. But he's definitely someone you want to check out. I will be fully transparent and say that his videos are a little bit more on the longer side. So they're for people who are actually serious about developing not only passive income, but financial freedom. So they are not for people that have shorter attention spans. They're not these flashy 2-minute videos that are all hype with little substance. Contrary, it's going to be videos with a lot of content that take a while to watch. But once you digest the content and take a look at what he has to offer, you'll find immense value in his videos. And of course, aside from my obligatory endorsement of Cassie, let me surprise you a bit. I would encourage you to also watch Dale L. Roberts if you haven't already. Self-Publishing with Dale. He doesn't know that I'm endorsing him. He didn't tell me to endorse his channel at all. But I would find Dale to be someone who has, arguably in the industry, the best connections to all the platforms that you're looking at for self-publishing. So he has personal connections to, not only the platforms that we all know, like Kindle Direct Publishing with Amazon, Ingram Spark, and Draft2 Digital, but some lesser-known platforms as well, like, if you haven't heard already, Lulu Press, Findaway Voices is emerging as another audio platform you can publish for. And while these platforms may seem secondary and they're not lucrative yet, they might yield more potential in the future, especially Findaway Voices. So you want to definitely stay up to date and in touch with what Dale is doing with these other platforms. And you never know, in a year or two, we might be also publishing on Findaway Voices for audio, aside from just Audible. So you definitely want to keep your ears open. I'll leave a link below to Dale's channel as well. Otherwise, guys, I just wanted to give a quick plug out because it can't all just be about drama and promotions with events. You need good substance as well for your continuing education with publishing, online income, passive income, and beyond. So I've got to get to the next coaching call, guys. See you later. Take care. And I'll see you at EBD. Later.